Computational process of problem number 7 is exactly as the same as problem number 6, which already we have computed. Here in this problem we have to once again compute the requirement of expected return that we have seen in the problem number 6. So here expected return, which is symbolically written as ERI, expected return of any stock, and the formula is sum of RI into PI, are representing that the possible return of any stock and its related probability, which is symbolically written as Pi. So the formula, as we know that the extended formula especially R1 into P1, R2 P2, R3 P3 and R4 P4 in this way to the nth period, Rn Pn, or I mean last return and last probability that we have to multiply, then we can sum to get the expected return. So here for the Laurent computer, so Laurent computer, expected return of Laurent computer, the given return, possible return and its related probability we have. So we can see there that minus 0.6 and probability is 0.05. So it is the return and the probability. So we have to multiply, and next return is minus 0.3, that should be multiplied with the probability, it is 0.2, and then it is negative once again the return, possible return, which is 0.1, and probability is 0.1 as well. So next return is 0.2 and the probability is 0.3, and then we can see that 0.4 and probability is 0.2, and lastly it is 0.8 and the probability is 0.15. So in this way we have to input into the equation. So here you can see that we have computed using our calculator. First one is minus 0.03, then minus 0.06, then minus 0.01 and the plus 0.06, then plus 0.08, and lastly it is 0.12. So if we sum, then we will get 0.16, and multiplying with 100 to show in percentage, it should be 16%. So using this equation we can compute the expected return. So this equation we can present onto a particular table. So here we can also present in the table like this to get the expected return. So here calculation of expected return for Laurent computer. So where possible return we have to show first column, then probability, which is Pi, here related probability we have to just present, and then Ri into Pi. So we have to multiply possible return and probability like in the equation what we have done. So each of them we have to multiply, then we have to sum all together to get summation of Ri, I mean possible return, and the probability. So it would be the same as we computed in the equation. So the expected return for Laurent computer, it should be 16%. So it is very easy mathematical computation. Hopefully you have come to understand how to solve this problem as well, I mean problem number 7, and it would be very helpful to compute for your next exam or elsewhere.